Welcome to How to Solve.
For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make TikTok videos private. So first of all, open your TikTok app and then tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. And then from here, locate and tap on the video that you want to make private. So this will open the video's playback page. And on the video playback page, look for the three dots icon, which is usually located on the right side of the screen. Tap on this icon to access more options for the video. In the options menu, you should see a privacy or who can view this video option. Tap on it, and from the privacy options, select private. This will restrict the visibility of the video to only your approved followers.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.